Hello and welcome to another Marvin tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at using Audacity again and looking at some of its editing capabilities. So open up Audacity, okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to load in or import a sound file that was recorded with two people talking in it, okay. So you'll see that it's a stereo file. I'm going to import the audio, and it's this one here. Okay, it's quite long. If I play it, you'll hear that there's going to be two voices in here. So what we need to do for Marvin, we need to separate these voices. Okay, so the way that we can do that is quite easy, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find where the second voice comes in, which I believe is here. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to select from here on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Edit and I'm going to go Split New. Okay, so what we've done there, we've split the audio into now two stereo files. Alright, so we've got the first character speaking here, then the second character starts speaking here. And if we scrub through this,
I just want to help my mob in the community.
And find where the first character comes in again. There it is right there. Okay, let's just go into here. Right, and we're going to do the same thing. So select from that point onwards, edit, and split new. Right, so now you can see what we're doing here. It's the same
but they don't even listen
all
to
the
me
way
at
through.
school.
I know how that can be.
Okay, so then we've got another one here. Okay, so select that part there, edit, and let's split new again. Okay, so we're getting more and more all the time. So go ahead. So once you've finished splitting all the audio up, I won't do the rest here because I'm just demonstrating at the moment. What we can do is we can export these out as separate audio files, as separate WAV files, which is brilliant, especially for Marvin, because basically from here we can go straight into Marvin and load them into the characters. Okay, so to do that, we don't just go to export, we need to export multiple. Okay, so I click on export multiple. It's then going to ask me where I need to put these files. So you can go in and put the files in where you need to in the project folder. We're going to actually just use a WAV file, which is standard and not compressed. Okay, you don't need to compress at this stage. And click on export, and what's going to happen is it's going to label it Marvin scenario 1, and then it'll probably be _1, _2, _3, _4, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if I press export, and it's going to ask me if I want to put any fields in here so we can name the artist and so on. Not necessary at this point. It's going to ask me several times, so I'm going to go OK, 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 OK. And that's now split those files up. So as you can see, if you do record your audio all together, you can go ahead and edit it with using Audacity, which once again is free.